How to install Amazon Alexa application on Play Store. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can install Amazon Alexa application on Play Store. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the Google Play Store in your device and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Here, tap at the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for Amazon Alexa application. This is the application that you can install it. Tap on it if you want to view its reviews, scroll through it and you will find it there. Now to install it, tap on the install button. Then depending upon your internet connection, installation may take some time. After that, you could open up the application and that may again ask you to log in and you can use the application. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.